Ice fishing, a passion that runs deep. During the frozen winters in the Northlands, the only way to satisfy the strong desire for a tight line is through the ice. When fishing through the ice, you want a fishing enclosure that is as tough as you are. Something that holds up to the rigors of ice fishing. Something built to last that can be passed down to the next generation. Something designed and built for fishing first. Ambush ice fishing skid houses and wheelhouses are built with ice anglers in mind. It all starts with a solid fishing first design. From tip to tip, every detail, every weld, every finish, and every feature is meticulously thought out. Each configuration is carefully planned to accommodate the many different fishing styles. Hole locations are thoughtfully planned out, and multiple sizes are available to accommodate a single ice angler up to larger groups. Fishing first also means that the materials used are made of long-lasting and lightweight composites. These composites are laminated together to form a very strong system. In addition to being strong and lightweight, these composites do not contain wood. Wood is heavy, and it can rot and develop mold. Ice fishing is a wet business. Augering holes, entering your enclosure with snow on your boots, condensation from heating your unit after it has been cold soaked, or pressure washing and cleaning your unit all introduce moisture, and moisture is the enemy of wood. Additionally, Ambush's one-piece laminated panels eliminate the need for seams. Seams weaken a panel and provide an opportunity for delamination or water intrusion. Seamless panels also reduce the need for mechanical fasteners that can work loose or break. A seamless panel also looks sleek. The exterior of Ambush units have a gel coat finish, the same material used in many fiberglass boat hulls. This gives the exterior an attractive look, is easy to clean, easy to repair, and durable. Fishing first also means accessories available to add to your comfort and convenience. Accessories such as multiple heating options, including forced air furnaces, direct vent heaters, and ventless heaters. Other accessories include seating options, such as our bench with storage, rollover couches, or helm chairs. Many electronic options are available, such as 3 different solar packages, 2 different TV sizes, integrated AquaView cameras, Garmin LiveScope, and dimmable LED lighting. Also available are cabinets and multiple shelving options, stove, oven, microwave, to name just a few. Fishing first means focusing on design, hole configurations, and accessories that address the diverse needs of ice anglers. Understanding that everyone has different budgets, Ambush offers multiple sizes and layouts that can be purchased either as a shell so you can outfit it yourself, or can be purchased fully accessorized and ready to fish. When time is our biggest commodity, we want to spend it in the best way possible. At Ambush, we cut no corners and make no compromises. Whether you need an ice fishing skid house or a wheelhouse, Ambush has you covered. To see one in person, visit the nearest dealer to you found on our website, ambushicefishing.com.